A native African language has been brought to the pages of children's textbooks for the first time by a Melbourne educator. More than 40 million people speak the Oromo tongue, but until now, it's been largely passed down by word of mouth.
19-year-old students Bareeta Aba-Bulgu and Ikram Boru grew up speaking Oromo in their family homes.
Ani maqaan kiyya Ikram Boru Nanjani, ani gadda western suburbs St Albans Zitting.
But the indigenous language of Ethiopia was never something they learnt in the written form.
It was just word of mouth, so really my vocabulary is quite limited to things like "Mum, I'm hungry, when's dinner?" that kind of thing. So I wish I had these books growing up.
The books are part of a new global teaching program, passing down Oromo to the next generation.
Kun maalinni Kun maalinni
It's the brainchild of Toltu Tufa, a 29-year-old born and raised in Melbourne, but with a fierce desire to preserve her Oromo heritage. She embarked on her learning project after a global fundraising drive.
For me, the significance is really for the older generation. It's for them finally seeing their language being promoted in the way that it rightfully should be as the fourth most widely spoken language in Africa.
The Oromo people are the largest indigenous population in the Horn of Africa, but throughout history their native tongue has been under threat of dying out altogether. For more than 100 years, the use and teaching of the Oromo language was considered a punishable crime by the Ethiopian government, until the ban was lifted in 1991.
The language in its written form is relatively new and young, and so that amplifies its importance in passing on to the next generation.
With colourful activity books, posters, flashcards and stickers.
This is going to transform and absolutely revolutionise the way that young Oromo children actually learn their mother tongue.
A language revitalised by inspired African youth. Gareth, Boreham, SBS World News.